Hi people, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn is Fun. This is me, your teacher Aisha Rizwan. Welcome to Computer Series. And today we have a very exciting lesson. A lot of the people don't know that, and a lot of the people actually don't touch this topic, and we find it difficulty to know that how to do it. And this topic is really interesting if you have interest in operating laptops or computers. So stay with me because in this video you are going to learn a lot of things. So we are going to make folder and we will also learn how to rename it with the help of some function keys. And if you like the video, you have to subscribe and comment must. Okay, so I will share with you these tiny things that a lot of the people neglect to share. Anyways, let's start. I will create here the folder now. So for that, you can also create from the new option, and here you will also create a folder. If you can't see that button, you will just press the right button of your mouse or your touchpad, and there you will find an option of new. From the new option you can create a compressed folder shortcuts, or any documents like that. So we will first go with the folder option. Like after creating the folder option, you have to rename it. I will make it file done. Okay, and just press enter. After that, if you want to rename it, okay, you will press F2. You will first select it and you will press F2. And there you will find it. You can just retype or rename or whatever you want to give. Redrop. I don't know what I'm giving. Just teacher Aisha R. Teacher Aisha R. Okay, so afterwards you will press enter. So that's it. This is how you can create a folder and you can rename it. And so if you like the video, you have to tell me in the comment section. So I will share with you other file, like how we can create a zip folder and what properties a zip folder have. I will also share with you. So you have to motivate me and you have to like the video. So I will get a good response. If I will get a good response, I will share these tiny things also with you. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Take care. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.